In this video, I will show you how to get loan in Moniepoint. So friends, actually it is easy. You can do, all you have to do, go to Google, search for get loan on Moniepoint. This is on for web. Choose the first result here, small business loan. When you click the first result, you have this option, guys, apply for loans. So guys, all you have to do, click apply for loans, and then you will see this page. From this page, friends, just wait to see this one. Right, set up your accounts here. You can access your loan and manage your operation with business banking solutions. Write your phone number here, and then you will log in with your accounts. From the accounts, guys, you have three options: card and saving and salary. Choose the salary option on your mobile app. After that, you can get paid before paydays. You can get up to 100%. Friends, as you can see here, you can get up to 100% without paying option. You can join a whitelist, and you can no interest in rates. Just click join a whitelist, this option. From this one, click join a whitelist, and then you will get paid loans for small business. So guys, this is how you can do. This is for web device. Just click apply, and then this is for mobiles. Go to salary, and then click join a whitelist, this option, and then you will get loan without any problem. So guys, I am this guide for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this